When will the first person of color walk on the moon? Imagine witnessing history unfold right before your eyes. The moment when a person of color steps onto the lunar surface is approaching, thanks to the Artemis program. NASA's Artemis missions aim to return humans to the moon and make it more inclusive than ever before. The Artemis program is a series of lunar missions designed to land astronauts near the lunar South Pole. This area is exciting because it has water ice and other resources that could support future exploration. The first mission, Artemis I, was an uncrewed flight that orbited the moon in November 2022. It tested the Orion spacecraft and the Space Launch System rocket, both vital for future missions. The next step is Artemis Roman II, scheduled for September 2025, which will carry astronauts around the moon but not land. The real milestone will come with Artemis III, set for September 2026. This mission will be the first since the Apollo era to land astronauts on the moon. It will include the first woman and the first person of color to walk on the lunar surface. NASA has selected astronauts for this historic trip, and the crew will be chosen based on their skills and experience. The person of color expected to walk on the moon will be part of this crew, marking a major moment for diversity in space exploration. The Artemis III mission plans to land near the lunar South Pole using the Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft. The landing craft will be a new lunar lander designed for this mission. The goal is to establish a sustainable presence on the moon and prepare for future missions to Mars. NASA is also working with international and commercial partners to make these missions successful. The program emphasizes safety, innovation, and inclusion. So, the first person of color to walk on the moon is expected to do so in September 2026 as part of Artemis III. This event will be a historic step forward in space exploration, showing that the future is bright and diverse.